He literally just ran all the way in there and then ran all the way out.
Really?
Yeah.
Weird.
There's that guy over there and another guy and his son over there.
Yeah, this place is really
Been pressured.
Yeah.
I think the best time will probably be like early morning.
Catch anything?
No.
I'm just trying to snag him now.
No, don't snag him. Get him the right way.
No, you gotta do is like jump that thing up and down. Get his attention.
You'd think they'd be biting right now.
Yes. Pretty
Oh.
soon.
I felt him tug on him or something.
You gotta bounce it right in his face. There, get it.
So look.
Look.
Oh, too late.
He ate it?
Yeah, he had it in his mouth.
I can't feel it.
We gotta put them glasses back on. Bounce that thing.
Took it off its
Back
bed.
in.
Yeah, took it off its bed. Wait.
Pretty nice sized fish in here, though.
Yeah, there is. When they want to bite.
Lost my chance.
No, you didn't. He's still there. As long as you keep putting it on that bed, you're not gonna lose your chance. Pop it. Not close. Not close.
You gotta pop it, let it sit,
Right there. Pause it.
they hit it. Oh,
He-
what's
he-
that?
That's. I don't know. That's like a little bass. Oh yeah.
Right.
You gotta freaking jack that thing up.
I'm gonna rip that thing out the water.
There you go.
I'm for sure he hits it and I feel it. Rip that thing.
Got it. Oh, dash.
Put that more out in the middle.
Probably wait like a couple seconds so he can actually like swallow.
No, because he's not gonna eat it. He's not biting it to eat it. He's biting it to protect.
You moved it too fast. You have a bluegill chasing that one too.
I did.
Mm-hmm.
Will bluegill eat it?
Mm-hmm. So you get their mouth.
That's big enough.
I caught a hand-sized bluegill out here. Palm
There's
sock.
one over there that's dead. It's pretty big. He's just nibbling at it. Except for the bite.
There we go. There we go. My dude. All right, take the hook out.
No, I'm not trying to get spiked.
I'll give you pliers. Come on, pull for me, bro.
You gotta keep doing it to piss them off enough when you're getting dirty in your reel.
Do you have teeth?
Not really. I don't think so.
No, that was it.
Do you have teeth?
I don't think so. It's a big ass ugly thing.
thing is ugly.
Got it.
Bye, Mr. Fishy.
I give that a 5 on the landing. Too much splash.
I told you I was gonna look off.
Fortune, man, I'm gonna give that a injection.
Bolt lining, bolt landing violation.
There you go. Hitting the dirt.
Eat it again.
No, come on, Dutch. We gotta get home and get some food.
Okay.
Not a proper release.
Bolt landing violation.